conference is really an opportunity to get science teachers engaged and active, give them opportunities to get hands-on experiments that they can take back to the classroom that get the kids engaged and excited about science and want them to learn more.
It's my first time here, and I have been to a lot of conferences, and I will say probably hands down this is one of the most engaging as far as teacher engagement instead of sitting.
The presenters give some new way to present the material to the students. So you're kind of learning something new every time for your own personal teaching and ways to kind of get the students more engaged.
We want them to have ideas from all different kinds of places so that they have a whole repertoire of things that they can do with their students that help them learn to think more critically. They get them to do science, because the more science you know, the better off you are.
You're able to envision, how does this apply? How can I use this with my kids? How can I use this with my students? As opposed to just writing notes and thinking, okay, now how do I actually apply this in the classroom? We're showing you, we're not only telling you how to apply it in the classroom, we're showing you.
This was as exciting for us as it would be for the kids because we got to actually do the labs and experience how those would work in a classroom. So it wasn't just somebody telling you what to do, you actually got to do it and see how much fun it is and how relevant it is to the content.
I love to be hands-on in my classroom on a daily basis. I try to incorporate something for the kids at all times that is going to get them involved, and I feel that they really learn the most when they're deciding it themselves and getting involved versus watching someone else do something or reading about it. So everything we've learned here today has been ideas that you can incorporate in the classroom that are like that. Get the kids involved.
We did teaching with toys where they showed us how to use toys to enhance our lab experience in school and make labs more exciting for kids. We had a great presentation yesterday with NASA, which was my favorite, where we got to really just dig in there and get hands-on and make a satellite out of a toilet paper roll.
But we're going to be showing liquid nitrogen. We're going to be doing everything from maybe freezing a snake to trying to bring an egg in a bottle to making ice cream.
We give you the tools necessary to take these projects back to the classroom, to find new ways to teach kids. You get information from companies, you get information from NASA, you're getting information from the Carnegie Science Center.
We're going to get a jump drive, and on that jump drive it has all kinds of ideas, but it correlates it to our Common Core. It's going to be all connected for us, and it's going to really help.
You didn't have to take notes. You get them.
Nice.
You actually get to do the things and pay attention, and you don't have to worry about writing it all down.
We've networked with a lot of different companies that are they want to bring people in. They want to step in up to the plate basically to help our kids throughout all of our districts. And so we've been able to network through them to get names and numbers and be able to get them to come into our building to talk about careers as we focus upon careers of tomorrow.
To be able to meet people that are doing, or I guess teaching what I'm doing, but in a different way, makes it really interesting. It gives me a new side of thinking, basically, to how I'm teaching.
Interaction, the ability to network with other teachers throughout Ohio and learn and make those connections and be able to share lesson plans, as well as we provide an Ashland University credit that teachers are eligible for. We provide materials from our member companies, gift bags at the end, as well as it's free. It's an opportunity for them to do something that doesn't cost their school district money and it doesn't cost them money.
Definitely recommend it to any teacher at my school, math or science.
It's great for the classroom and it's paid for, so it's awesome.
How can we get the whole science department to come to this next year? So it's definitely worthwhile to go.
I went to the National Science Teacher Conference last year, and I think that this was just as awesome, if not better.
I hope that I'm able to come back next year and learn more.
It has been one of the best hands-on conferences that I have been to in a number of years.